Hello everyone, my name is Aryan Jadhav. I am from CSC A section. Today's my tech talk topic is about biofuels. Fuel was energy is derived from the biological carbon fixation. Biofuels include fuels derivation from biomass conversion as well as solid biomass, liquid fuels, and solid biomass. Common examples of biofuels are ethanol, vegetable oil, animal fats, green diesel. Basically, biofuels are categorized into two types. They are first generation biofuels and second generation biofuels. First generation biofuels. They are also called as conventional biofuels. The first generation biofuels refer to the fuel that have been derived from sources like starch, sugar, animal fats, and vegetable oil. The oil is obtained using the conventional techniques of production. First generation biofuels are biodiesel, green diesel, bioethers, biogas, syngas. This is mostly used in European countries. It is mineral acid and chemically known as fatty acid methyl. This oil is formed after mixing methanol and sodium hydroxide. It is very commonly used when it is mixed with mineral acid. The given image shows the biodiesel pump. Green diesel. It is also called as renewable diesel. It is a form of diesel fuel which is derived from a renewable feedstock rather than the fossil. Green diesel feedstock can be sourced from a variety of oils including canola, algae, jatropha, and silicornia, in addition to tallow. Green diesel are commonly known as island should not be confused to dried green diesel sold at a lower tax rate for the agriculture purposes. Using a dye allow custom officers to determine the person is using cheaper diesel in higher taxation applications such as commercial, haulage or cars. Bioethers. They are also called as oxygenated fuels, cost efficiency and act as a octane rating enhancers. They reduce engine wear and toxic exhaust emissions, greatly reducing amount of ground level ozone. Bioether lab. Biogas. It is methane produced. It is methane produced by the anaerobic degradation and enormous. Biogas can be recovered by the biological treatment waste processing system. Farmers can produce biogas from measures from their cows by using the anaerobic digestic. Biofuels. The image shows how the biogas is generated. Syngas. It is a gas that is produced after the combined process of combustion, gasification, and pyrolysis. Biofuels used in this process are converted into carbon monoxide and into energy and pyrolysis. This process materials are converted into carbon monoxide and hydrogen. The resultant syngas can be used in various purposes. The given image shows syngas while forming. Now, second generation biofuels. Second generation biofuels are biofuels produced from sustainable feedstock. Sustainability of a feedstock is defined among others by availability of feedstock, impact on GHG emissions, and impact on biodiversity and land use. Examples of second generation biofuels. Many second generation biofuels are used in development such as cellulose, ethanol, algae fuel, biohydrogen, bioethanol, etc. Biofuel production. Biofuel. There are various social, economic, and environmental and technical issues with biofuels production and use which have been discussed and popularly media and scientific journals. Biofuels production in India. Biofuels development in India centers mainly around the civilization and processing of jatropha plant seeds. Jatropha plant gets 40% of oil and Jatropha oils can be used directly after extraction in diesel generators and engines. Jatropha has the potential to provide economic benefits at the local level since under sustainable management it has the potential to grow dry marginal. The given image shows the Jatropha seeds. Production in India. Presently, 7 states in India are producing biofuels. They are Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Odisha, and Jharkhand. Chhattisgarh had decided to plant 160 million spalings of Jatropha in all its 16 districts during 2006, which is aiming to become a biofuel self-relevant state by 2015. Chandigarh. Thank you.